Hi, I'm Emily, and I'm here to tell you about Rest More. I take it every single night before bed, and it helps me sleep like a baby. I take 2 capsules with a glass of water about 30 minutes before bed, and I am able to sleep all night long. You can pick this up on Amazon. You can get a 30-day or 60-day supply. I personally buy the 60-day because it lasts a little bit longer and it's cheaper. I wake up feeling fully refreshed, and I think you all should try it.
Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night.